Good day, everyone. In this roleplay, we open the curtain to reveal the truth behind every waiting line, where guests carry emotions, where businesses race against time, and where smart systems shape fairness, order, and grace, from the pulse of impatience to the rhythm of efficiency, from shifting queues to ambitious goals. We show how every second speak. Because in hospitality, waiting is never empty. It is the quiet moment that decides the story we leave behind.
Morning sir, may I take your order?
Isa nga pong one piece chicken na may plain fries.
Anything to add po? Dine in or take out po?
Dining.
Okay, thank you. Good morning sir, may I take your order?
Ano po? 2-piece chicken, large fries, and dalawang coke po na large.
Anything to add sir?
Nothing po.
Okay, dine in take out.
Take out.
Good morning sir, may I take your order?
Isang burger lang sa
Anything to add po?
wala.
Dine in or take out?
Thank
Okay, thank you. Order number 1 po. Order number 3.
Excuse me,
Yes po, sir.
ba't pala naunang order ng number 3 compare sa akin? Mas nauna akong nag-order sa kanya
I sincerely apologize po, sir, for the inconvenience. Your order should have been handed out first before customer fee. The reason it was handed out first because his meal was quicker to prepare while your meal required more cooking time. So, however, we understand your concern po and we should have communicated the preparing time really. And thank you for your patience and as soon as your order is ready po, we'll serve it to you po.
Excited na ako, pre! Pre, siya, Bobby, pre!
Grabe, excited na ako makita yung
Uy, Saint Mary, oh! Uy!
Ako na na pre.
Ay, oo nga.
Walang makita ko si Papi. Games na ako sa nung. Kapag pala nag-reserve tayo ng ticket.
Di ba sabi mo, reserve ka?
Sayang, excited pa naman ako.
Tagal naman! Ilang oras mo?
Kapat na yung line speed ko. 45 minutes na tayo nakatapos. Narating ba na?
Naubot na nga, nag-araya ko eh.
Katropa ko yung standard sa mga shoot ko. Sana, excited ako yung mga kamikasi members na makita.
Sir, good evening po. Sorry po kasi po kasi we are facing technical difficulties po currently. For now po, we would offer you some drinks and giveaway extra giveaways po after the concert. So for now po, saglit lang po.
Ano ba ang yan?
Sir, ito po yung complimentary na ito po yung drinks and lace.
Nagkako yung star na ito. Thank you ah.
Thank you po.
Hello sir, happy jolly morning today. How are you? Okay. So we have one corned beef with extra java rice, 2 large Coca-Cola, and 1 mango. Is there anything else? Happy jolly morning, sir. How are you today? So we have 1 piece chicken, 2 piece pancake, and 1 large Coca-Cola. Is there anything else, sir?
Wala na po.
Oh sir, happy July morning today. How are you? So, oh sir, we're currently out of stock of the Aloha burger right now.
Ganun is still available nakalagay dun sa screen.
Okay sir, will you have to wait a moment sir? I will just
Sige, pabilisan.
Sir, 86 na guys na Aloha burger. Out of stock na tayo dun sa Aloha kasi sabay yung order ng guest sir. Sir, pasensya na sir, pero wala na, hindi na kasi available dalawa. Pero may mga alternative kami dito sir, may mga siglet.
Di ba pwede yun? Kasi nakalagay dun sa screen yun, still available. Dapat nakalagay na dun, not available.
Very sorry sir, kasi mabagal kasi mag-update yung system namin. Hindi kagad next to the line ng mga sir. Pero pwede namin kayo offer ng free drinks, tapos may mga alternative kami dito. Ano dapat na?
This is unacceptable. Nagmamadali ako yun.
So sir, ito na po yung order nila na alternative sa order. Tapos may free drink kami dito sir. Tapos exclusive lang yan sir. Para sa inyo. Thank you so much. Pasensya na po ulit. Pasensya na po ulit.
Sir, ticket po, sir. Pasok po, sir. Sir, ticket po.
Dito.
Ticket po.
And this one did. Okay.
Here's the order.
Oh, excuse me sir, before we proceed, I just want to inform you that your body exceeded our weight limit in this.
Oh, I see. I did not realize that was so heavy. So, what are my options?
Sir, you have two options. You can either remove some of your baggage in your bag, or you can settle our excess weight limit in this.
Oh, so I'll remove some things on my bag.
Welcome back, sir. How are you?
Hello po. I removed some things. Can you check it again?
Okay, sir. No problem. Okay, that's good. Thank you, sir, for your cooperation with us. Have a safe flight.
Thank you for helping me.
Thank you, sir. You're welcome.
Dami talagang tao dito, para tayong blockbuster.
Oo nga eh, makapasok pa kaya tayo dito.
Hindi na siguro. Tignan mo, mga tao.
Kaya nga, niligot eh.
Sabi yan. Ang ganda gawin na yun.
Oo nga, ang nga yung pwede sa pending.
Ayun, mayroon din yung Ferris wheel.
Oo nga, dati. Sige.
Parang punta tayo.
Tara, tara.
Naman lang ba?
Pabukas mo yung pinto. Yung pinto.
Yung pinta!
Tapos ko yung makakagaray. Eh, tinig mo yun, yung babae eh. Parang yung daming tao. Magkakabuto sila dito. Tagiin mo mga tao. Tapos, delikado pag nagpapasok na tayo. Ang gawin natin.
Kaya ganito gawin mo, dahil max capacity na tayo, i-refund na lang natin yung mga ticket. Ngayon, pag-refund ng ticket, ibigyan natin sila ng 7% discount, and then may 1 free ticket na sila para nyo sa mga kabulos.
Sure na naman, boss?
Oo, ganun na lang gawin para nyo na.
Sige, boss. Sabihin ko sa kanila. Boy, may kantin ko, boy.
Ano sir?
Yung meron, nagbintang gulo.
Nagkakaroon kasi sa labas, boss. Nagtisipitan sila sa entrance. Kaya pinasara na lang namin.
Paano kami? Paano kami manunod?
Ganda na lang, boss. Kung gusto mo, piliin mo namin yung ticket ko. Tapos, na-biscuita nyo. 70% discount na boss. May 150 pa kayo.
Eh, yung oras ko naubos dito, nasaya lang.
Eh, pasensya na boss. Kasi hindi namin niyakasal mga ganda yung mga natin. Then, boss, next time na pag-punta nyo, sure nyo, 70% discount. Thank you po.